Hit it.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Heavenly Father, thank you for allowing us to see another day. Yes. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of LaJoy Truck Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with another video. Did you miss this? These are some earrings, the ones that I'm wearing. I did a tutorial on, I'm going to say maybe 3 or 4 months ago. And I'm doing this video for those of you who may have missed it because, once again, I do have a playlist that you all can go and check out. But sometimes, some things, I have so many videos on how to make and create things that sometimes when you're looking for something real specific, you may not be able to find it. So that is why I am doing this here segment. This is a new segment that I have added to my channel. So did you miss this? These are the earrings of today. And I'm going to explain to you a little bit about these earrings. Now, these earrings are pretty long. I believe they're about 6 inches or 6.5 inches long. They are very, very lightweight, very comfortable for the ears. They have been hand painted. I'm going to give you the paints that I've used. You're going to get everything. You're going to get everything you need in order to create these earrings, okay, in that instructional video. So if you missed it, go and check it out. Once again, these are posts. They're made with wood components, very lightweight and very comfortable, okay? So I'm going to make sure that I leave the link to this down in the description box. And once again, it's going to have everything you need in order to do these earrings, okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank you to my new supporters and my loyal supporters, those of you who continue to come back and support me here on this platform. Please, could you make sure that you thumbs up the video so that this video can go into rotation. Also, could you share the video? Because the more shares this gets, the more people can have access to the content that I provide here on this YouTube space, okay? So with that being said, I want to say thank y'all so much for watching, and until my next upload, peace and blessings, my beloved kings and queens. See ya.